Comparison relational operators. To compare two values, comparison operators are used. The result is always a logical value that is either true or false. For example, equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, and not equal to. Writing simple formula. Every formula must begin with an equal sign. There must be an operator or operators to operate on the data. The data which can be text, number, date, time, or a cell address. Let's see some examples of writing simple formulas. Select the cell where the answer will appear. Type the equal sign with the formula that you want Excel to calculate and press Enter key. For example, is equal to 5 plus 5. B. Enter data in a worksheet as shown in the figure. Click in the cell where formula has to be entered. For example, click in the cell below the total heading and type the formula. Specify the cell address with the arithmetic operator. For example, is equal to L10 plus M10 plus N10. Press Enter key. You will get the answer in the cell. To calculate the total marks of other students, place the cursor on bottom right corner of the formula cell. The cursor changes into a solid plus sign. Click and drag the mouse till the end of the list. Release the mouse button. Enter a value in A1 cell, for example 12. Click in B1 cell and type the formula is equal to A1 asterisk 5. Press Enter key. Using compound formula. In a compound formula, more than one operators are used. Let's learn about it with the help of an example with mouse click. Enter values in the worksheet. Click in B4 cell and type equal to. Click on cell B1, type asterisk, click on cell B2, type asterisk. Click on cell B3 with mouse click in the cells. Their respective cell addresses are displayed in the formula. Type / and 100, press Enter key. The calculated result is displayed in cell B4. Delete a formula. When you delete a formula, the resulting value of the formula is also deleted. However, you can instead remove only the formula and leave the resulting value of the formula displayed in the cell. To delete formulas along with their resulting values, do the following. Select the cell or range of cells that contains the formula. Press Delete key on keyboard. To delete formulas without removing their resulting values, do the following. Select the cell or range of cells that contains the formula. On Home tab in Clipboard group, click on Copy option. Click on the drop-down arrow on Paste and select Paste Values option. Using simple function. Let's learn about using a simple function with help of an example. Let's take sumo function. The steps to use a function are: click in the cell where you want to display the sum of the numbers, for example F4. Click on Formula tab. In Function Library group, click on Insert Function tool. The Insert Function dialog box appears. Select Sum function and click on OK button. The Function Arguments dialog box appears. Type the argument in number 1 text box, that is, the range of the cells to find their sum. For example, C4 is to E4. Click on OK button. The result appears in the selected cell. To calculate the total of the marks of other students, place the cursor on the bottom right corner of the formula cell. The cursor changes into a solid plus sign. Now, click and drag the mouse till the end of the list and release the mouse button.